How to use free download manager. You want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to search for free download manager. Click on it. This is the one that you want to install. So just install this. I already have it. Next, you want to install the free download manager extension on your web browser. For me, I'm on Google Chrome. I'm going to click on the three dots in the top right, extensions, and then manage extensions. For me, I'm on Google Chrome. I'm going to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on extensions, and then visit Chrome Web Store. Now I'm going to search for free download manager. It's the same logo, so you want to download this one. I already have it. Next, you want to open up free download manager, the one from the Microsoft Store. So now we have this open, and we have the extension right here. So now all you have to do is just download what you wanted to get. If it's like a video or anything like that, just click on download. It will then open up the free download manager. So you can choose where you want to save it to. I'm going to choose my desktop, and you can set the file name and then click on download. It's then going to download the thing that you wanted using the free download manager, which is way faster than normally downloading something. You could also click on the plus right here, and you can enter the URL or the torrent file if you want to download the torrent right here, and then click on OK. It will then start downloading for you.